This is for all y'all gutter rats, loser sneezes fan club. All y'all gutter rat fan club members. This is for y'all. You know, y'all, I mean, by now y'all know y'all losers. I mean, y'all know y'all losers. Come on. Stop it. Because, only losers can follow a loser. Y'all are nothing but losers. Pathetic losers at that. Second, y'all will never, ever be able to think for yourself, because that's what losers are. Losers. Y'all can't think for yourself. Y'all can't fight. Y'all can't never win. So, this is for all y'all cupcake people, But, like I said, about a week ago, I think I said it. I told y'all, the king of y'all gutter rats, that I would love for him to meet up with me somewhere so I can pound him into dust, turn his teeth into dust. Because he can't fight a lick. If y'all really want to know how tough gutter rat king Sneeze is, just type in some of his fights. He fought 2 fights. 2. He is terrible. He got knocked down, drilled, and he had headgear on top of that. Who get knocked down with headgear? And it was like in some front yard. So, my second question to y'all is, who in their right mind would believe anything this gutter rat says or does? He's a professional liar. But you know what? Y'all deserve him anyway. Because y'all are the stupid people. Stupid little people with little pea brains. I wouldn't trust y'all with a potato gun. Man. Jesus, who follow a loser like that? I just never, I don't care what you say, man. I could not ever imagine being a follower. And then being happy to be a follower. Because that's clearly what y'all are. That's what makes it even funnier. Y'all are terrible. Y'all are the worst followers I ever seen in my life. I really think y'all scared of Tyree. Because, if y'all really wanted the truth, y'all would have went and looked at some of his fights, and y'all would have been like, Jesus Christ, this dude is terrible. Only thing he is a racist sissy. Little hoe. That's all he is a racist sissy that can't fight. He cannot even come close to being a fighter. I mean, the dude is beyond terrible. When I say beyond terrible, I mean good and terrible. I'm talking about that type of terrible that you just be like, please don't fight. Just he will get hurt. I'm telling y'all, people. If y'all don't believe me, which I really don't care, but go check the fights out. Go check the fights out. Please do. Please do check the fights out. Because if y'all do, y'all gonna hurry up and run to the thing, run to YouTube and say, I'm done with you, gutter rat king, Sneeze, because he is a pathetic liar. That's what he is. A pathetic liar. And on top of that, he can't rap. He can't sing, can't rap, hell, he can barely walk right. Let alone rap or sing. I mean, the dude is terrible. I mean, y'all should be ashamed of yourself following him. Y'all must be just as good as idiots as he is. Man. He's terrible, bro. He's terrible. But I ain't letting y'all off that easy. Y'all are nothing but racist idiots just like he is, because y'all know he racist and y'all still following. And I guarantee you some of y'all probably little Mexicans, probably. I hate to say it, probably got a couple of black people in there. Y'all are all dumb. Dumb. Because I would like to ask y'all this. You think Tyree will help y'all out? He talks y'all like dirt. He don't care about none of y'all unless y'all giving him something. And on top of that, y'all better give him enough that he feels is okay. Because if you don't, losers, he's going to call y'all out. And I find it hilarious that a dude that's broke and don't got two nickels to rub together, but he yelling at people saying, y'all broke, y'all this, y'all that. It's hilarious to me that a person could act like he's big, bag, and tough. It is unreal to me. It is literally unreal to me. Because y'all are dumb for putting up with it. Y'all deserve everything y'all get from that loser. That loser don't deserve anything. Anything. But y'all flunky idiots. Scared to walk on your own 2 feet. I swear, man. I would love to meet some of y'all. I can see how tough y'all are. I really don't think y'all tough at all, because if y'all tough, y'all wouldn't be with that Giacomo, aka gutter rat Sneeze. Because, good Lord, man. Wait, y'all are some supreme idiots. Supreme idiots. Idiots. Because that's what y'all love to do, is be idiots. Idiots. Idiot 1, idiot 2, idiot. And you know, it's that dude, that big Giacomo idiot, gutter rat, answered me to somebody that thinks He don't need this, don't need that. He's this, he's that, because he got all the money, this and that. But boy, you tell me, have you ever seen a millionaire so happy for some crinkled up couple of 20s and ones crinkled up, and he's just so happy about this. But that little change he got, he counted all the time. He would count it like, yeah. And I just be like, what? A millionaire. I have never seen a millionaire act that happy about getting a check. Please tell me, how can an idiot millionaire be that happy for a check that he says he has to get? The dude is broke, and y'all dum-dums follow him like every time he get caught up and somebody blow him up and catch him in lines. Y'all haven't noticed? He hurry up and say, that ain't reality. That's not reality. That's not reality. That's not reality. Because you know why it's not reality? Because Tyree is getting blown up in it, and he hates the fact that he has no money, no life, no women, no nothing. So in turn, the colossal idiot he is, tries his hardest to hurry up and put everybody else down that knows who he really is, and he tried to put them down in a quickness. Ashley, he talk about her like dirt, but he's still trying to get with her. What a dum-dum. What a supreme dum-dum. And and his dumb self don't get it. She haven't even responded to him one time. But he always says she calling him on the phone and leaving messages. So, let me get this straight to y'all dum-dums. This chick, he has said so many jacked up things about her for no reason other than because she don't want nothing to do with him. But she will call him and leave messages on his phone. But don't go on YouTube or find some way to let everybody know that she's saying something to him. Now, does that make any sense whatsoever that she would call him? To every guy like this, if this chick was calling him so much, wanting him back so much, wouldn't she respond to him in public? Because he's bashing her in public. Right or wrong, idiots. Idiot 1, idiot 2. Right or wrong. Exactly. And third, tell your little king rat grow up and grow a pair. In the meantime, y'all can grow a pair too and get your own mind. Idiots.